My name's Prudence Thompson. I'm the owner and founder of Accent Health Recruitment, and I've been recruiting for about 20 years now, mainly from the UK, the US, Ireland, Canada, to bring skilled migrants into New Zealand. Skill Finder is from New Zealand Immigration. We've used it for 2 or 3 years now, and it's a website that matches employers with potential migrants. Skill Finder's worked really well for our business, not only connecting with people who want to come to New Zealand immediately, but also long-term prospects. So when you start off with Skill Finder, you start with number 1, the migrant search. You move down to the occupation and you have the opportunity to start typing the word that you're looking for example, nurse or electrician. It then populates it automatically and you have the opportunity to add an alternative name. The years experience are really important. You've got the option to do from 0 to 10 plus. And the minimal level of education, you can start with secondary school, trade certificate diploma, university or college degree, or postgraduate degree. And these are all compulsory fields, but it's very easy to use. One of the best things with Skill Finder is the preferred offshore market. So for example, you can only employ people from certain countries offshore. You select those certain countries and these are the only people that will receive your email. So step 2 is vacancy details. Very simple, just pop in your first and last name. The email address used is where the cover letter and the CVs will be sent to, so it's important to use the appropriate email address. The great thing about Skill Finder is it remembers all your details. The first time you use it, you need to include all your contact information about your company and also your logo, a little bit about the role, so that would be the job title. And it's really important, because this is going out in an email, to keep it really punchy and succinct. After you've previewed the Skill Finder job alert and it's sent out and you get your results, it's really important for 2 things. Firstly is to take the time out of courtesy to reply to candidates, even if they may not be appropriate. And secondly, a couple of months after you've had a chance to review all your candidates and go through the recruitment process, you will be contacted by Immigration New Zealand for a very short survey to question the effectiveness. Skill Finder is so easy to use, and it's a great way for overseas candidates who are interested in migrating to New Zealand to log on their details and to match up with us as employers and recruiters.